Hello, my students. Welcome to Speak English Now. I'm here to teach you new English tips every day in my channel to help you become a native speaker. So, in this video, we aim to enhance your English vocabulary. As you know, overuse of the word very can make your speech so boring. Very good, very nice, very beautiful, very well, very. No, stop. Native speakers use a variety of synonyms instead of very to express themselves more accurately. In this lesson, I've got 30 words to replace very so you can enrich and refine your expressions more than before. Ready to elevate your English? Great! Click on subscribe button and like this video, please. Let's get started the lesson. Very careful. Come on, you're very careful about your children. Cautious. You're cautious about your children.
You're so cautious.
Very special. She is a very special student. You can say exceptional. She is an exceptional student.
For people with exceptional abilities.
Very noisy. The neighbor's party was very noisy. Deafening. The neighbor's party was deafening.
Public outcry will be deafening.
Very clear. His crime was very clear. His crime was obvious.
It's so obvious.
Very confused. The math class isn't my favorite. I'm always very confused in class. Perplexed. I'm always perplexed in class.
You're not perplexed, are you?
Not at all, not at all.
Very long. He is the best doctor in my life. He has extensive experience in treatment.
Then perhaps he will be so good as to teach us out of his own extensive experience.
Very cute. Look at this baby girl. She's very cute in this clothes. Adorable. She's adorable in this clothes.
I think it's so adorable how
Very cold. It's chilly outside. Bundle up.
it is chilly, isn't it?
It's freezing outside. Bundle up. Freezing also has another different meaning. To behave someone unfriendly.
5,000 of my men are out there in the freezing mud.
Very tired. Exhausted. I had a busy day. I'm very tired. I had a busy day. I'm exhausted.
Gloria, please. I'm exhausted.
Very busy. Unfortunately, I can't do this for you. I'm very busy today. I'm swamped today.
But I've got my country's 500th anniversary to plan, my wedding to arrange, my wife to murder, and Gilda to frame for it. I'm swamped.
Very large. The new apartment in the city center is huge.
This is so huge.
Very clean. The scene of crime was very clean. The scene of crime was spotless.
Keep it spotless and glorify it.
Very sorry. He is apologetic about his behavior in the last night.
Yes, he was very apologetic.
Very sure. Certain. I was certain about what did I say.
And tonight I have to be nice to a certain Judge Fenton.
Very old. The oldness of pyramids of Egypt is ancient.
He sent me to the map section to fetch an ancient plan of the city.
Very stupid. She was very stupid to quit her job. She was idiotic to quit her job.
What? You're just having some idiotic dream.
Very weak. He was tired and very weak to finish the race. He was tired and frail to finish the race.
The things I loved are very frail, very fragile.
Very happy. She was ecstatic for her daughter's wedding.
Ecstatic?
Of course.
Very skinny. His body was very skinny. His body was skeletal.
It's still a little thin, no?
Skeletal.
Then, what? We already ID'd her. We had
Very strong. He was a man of forceful character.
A most forceful request, I have to say.
Very creative. Japanese companies have been pumping out plenty of innovative products.
Unique, original, totally innovative.
Very angry. Don't go out. That is very angry. Instead of very angry, you can say furious. That is furious.
What, why?
yeah, Mexico is furious too.
Very beautiful. Oh my God, she's very beautiful. You can say she's gorgeous.
Annie, it's gorgeous. You're just gorgeous.
You know how your speech improving by replacing the words and how it adds more details? You actually use less word, but you express more thoughts with just one word. If you're confused right now and you say, oh, how I say these words instead of very, and I forget the synonyms, how I remember them, okay, there is a tip for you. You can replacing very with other words like extremely, extremely clean, extremely tall, extremely beautiful.
This is extremely important.
Awfully, awfully hard, awfully cold.
It must be awfully hard being away from your school chums.
Super, super friendly, super fun, super cute.
It's gonna be super fun.
Terribly, terribly nice, terribly hot. This can be both negative and positive meaning.
The dash dude's been terribly nice. I have to pick up my...
Unusually, unusually smart, unusually beautiful, unusually hot.
You really are an unusually beautiful person.
So beautiful, so practical.
And so beautiful and so intelligent.
There are many ways that you can versify your speech, and now I have a task for you. Your homework is write down a comment below with very plus something and replaces with just one word. There is a great task for you guys, because when you are learning something, it's not enough to just listen to. It's also very important to do something with your hands, so your brain remembers in the right way. I hope this video was being useful for you. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.